Want to give your iPhone a stunning 3D lock screen effect with spatial wallpapers in iOS 26? Here's how to set it up. First, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 26. This works on iPhones 12 and newer. From your home screen, swipe down to open the notification center, then long press anywhere on the screen. Tap Customize at the bottom to open the lock screen editor. Next, select a photo for your wallpaper. Photos of people or pets give the best 3D spatial effect. Once your wallpaper is chosen, tap the small icon next to the three dots. Your iPhone will analyze the photo for a few seconds and then apply the spatial 3D effect. Now, when you tilt your iPhone left, right, up, or down, you'll see your wallpaper respond with the subtle dynamic depth effect. Have fun with it, and consider exploring other new iOS 26 lock screen features for even more customization.